Today we're making some curry oxtail. Once the oil heat up, we're gonna add a piece of ginger, some garlic, some pimento seed, and some cloves. Also going to add some better pot curry along with some Blue Mountain curry powder. So we're gonna saute this. Keep your fire on low, keep the heat on low so that you don't burn your curry. Then I'm going to go in with the curry oxtail. The oxtail was seasoned with better pot curry, Blue Mountain curry, onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose, red pepper flakes. I don't remember if I said green season, but yeah, and green season. Just gonna go in and stir this. So we're just gonna keep on sauteing for roughly like 10-15 minutes. Well, I'm gonna say 10 minutes before we add any water to it. So keep it on low and just saute that. Then we are going to go in with a little bit of water to get the seasoning out of the container. So I'm going to slow cook this for maybe 20 minutes. Then I'm going to transfer it to a pressure cooker. I'm going to cover this for about 20 minutes. Then I'll come back. After about 10 minutes, we'll go back in. Alright, so we're going to transfer this to the pressure pot now. Turn off the stove. So I'm going to pour some hot water. We don't want to put too much water in it. Alright, so pressure pot to cool down. I'm gonna go in and cut up some seasoning or vegetables. So this is onion, and I'm also using red and green bell pepper, and that's optional. So this is half of a medium size onion. So do red and green. This is optional. You can also use the orange or the yellow one. Just use the one of your choice. I like when my dish have some color to it, so that's my reason for adding these to it. I'm also gonna cut up a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper. And I'm also gonna use some of the seed. If you don't like spice, you can skip this part of it. And then I have scallion, I have garlic, then I have thyme. I'm gonna grab a piece of scallion. I'm just gonna hold this in half. Cut it up. I like my curry well seasoned. So once I have it, I'm gonna use it. So, add some potato to the mixer. I'm gonna pour this over. And then I'm gonna add a little water from the pot. Right. Oh Lord, so they see them start mash up already. I don't like my oxtail fall off on a bone. I don't like it, but so you know we have to be gentle with this now. Go in with the seasoning, so the vegetables. So I'm gonna put in the Irish, the scallion, the thyme, the onion, and I'm gonna leave the bell pepper and the carrot for last. So I'm gonna allow the Irish to cook. It's gonna cover the pot. I'm never going to do carrot and bell pepper. Then I want to just steam the carrot then. Steam. Okay, let's see the final or the end result. So this is it. See the carrot them steam, the bell pepper them steam. And this is it. So when I broke up, see everything I mash up.